In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the headlights on this GMC Sierra. It's going to be located in the front of the vehicle. Let's get into it. I'm going to take this cover off, just use a trim tool. Take the push pins out, just get underneath there, pop those out. Grab this cover and pull it off. We're going to take these bolts out from up top, use a 10mm socket. We're going to loosen up this trim piece right here, use a 7mm socket. Take this screw out, then taking these screws out up top, use a T15 socket. Pull the trim out. You can use a trim tool. Just get underneath. We'll just pull it back a little bit. Sometimes these clips break. It's okay. Just so you have some room there. And using a 7mm socket going up right here, there's a screw. Take that out. Just grab this trim piece. You can get underneath with a trim tool as well. I'm just going to pop this out. And just pull it straight out. Then you're going to do the same on the other side. From underneath the vehicle, you can see where that trim piece was attached. There's some clips. You can just get under there, just use a pick. Just gonna go and pull these down. You can push it out a little bit. Just do that to all the clips. And just pull it off and out of the way. At the base of the grille, you're going to use a 10mm socket. Take these bolts out. And grab the grille and just forcefully pull it outward. And it comes right off. Now we're going to take these bolts off up top. Use a 10mm socket. Take those out. And using the 10mm socket, there's a bolt here and here. Take those out. Just grab the light assembly. You're going to pull it up a little bit. It's clipped in right here. Pull it back and push down on the tab on the connector, disconnect it. On the new light assembly, sometimes they come with test bulbs. It's a good idea to replace those. There's a cap right here. To take this cover off, we're going to twist this clockwise so that arrow lines up or close to that little tab there. Then this comes off. You can disconnect the bulb. Just push that little tab up, disconnect it. And just grab the bulb, twist it to the left, that'll come out. This is a H83 bulb. Slide that in place, twist it to the right. I'll grab the connector. Get the connector lined up. Plug that into the bulb, lock it down, and take the cover. Twist that in place. And the turn signal marker bulb, you want to twist this cap to the left. That comes out. You can grab the bulb, and just pull it out of the socket, just like that. This is a 7444 bulb. Slide it into the socket, get that lined up, and twist it, lock it in place. And for the adjustments, the adjuster is right here. You're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to adjust it. Now connect the connector, line that up. Make sure it clicks in place. That's good. Line the headlight up. It's lined up, and we'll put all the bolts in. Get those started. Get these started down below. Once those are all started, you want to just make sure you push the headlight back, and then we'll tighten these down. Snug those down. And tighten these down. And the process is going to be the same on the other side. Take the grill, and line this up, and push it in place. Take the bolts, tighten those down. Now take this trim piece and get this lined up. That's good. Push it in place. And line this up. Tap it in place. Now take this bolt, get that started. Snug that down. You want to push this trim in place. And some of the inner fender liner was popping out. Just push that back in place. Now put this screw in. Snug that down. And these two screws. Do the same on the other side. And put these bolts in up top. And tighten these down. Take this cover, line that up, looks good. Put the push pins in, lock them down.
Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.